आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi there, today our question is if the straight line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p touches the curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1, then prove that a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha is equals to p square. So we have a line that is touching the curve that whose equation is given to us, and we have to prove that this relation is equals to p square. So let the line equation be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p, and let us assume that this straight line is touching the curve at x1 and y1, right? So this point will also satisfy the equation of curve. So putting these points in the equation of curve, we will get x1 upon a square plus y1 upon b square is equals to 1, right? Now rewriting this equation as x upon p cos alpha plus y upon p sin alpha is equals to 1. Now we can see that if the line is touching the curve at point x1 y1 and the x1 y1 is also satisfying the curve equation, so these two lines will be identical because they are because same point is satisfying both the equations, so we can say that these two lines are identical. So let me write it. Equation 1 and equation 2 are identical. So we can equate their coefficients to find our points x1 and y1. So here x1 upon a square is equals to cos alpha upon p. On comparing, we will get x1 upon a square is equals to cos alpha upon p, and for y we will have y1 upon b square is equals to sin alpha upon p. Now we have got our points x1 and y1. x1 is equals to a square upon p cos alpha and y1 is equals to b square upon p sin alpha. Now putting these values of x1 and y1 in the equation of line, in the equation 1 we will get x upon p cos alpha. Putting these points in equation 1, so the first equation is x upon p cos alpha. So x upon p cos alpha plus y upon p sin alpha is equals to 1, right? And our x is equals to a square upon p cos alpha, and the cos alpha upon p is already there, and y will be equals to b square upon p sin alpha, and sin alpha upon p is already there. So we will have p square common. So a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha is equals to p square, and that is what we have to prove in the question. So we have shown that a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha will give us p square. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।